Hi, I'm Heather, and I'm here to talk to you about SoHo Urban Artist oil paints. The SoHo oils are a perfect oil paint for artists that are working on a budget. They offer 55 different colors, and they're triple milled, made with purified linseed oil, so you can really get that nice artist quality oil use without those really high prices. So I'm going to show you, I have a cadmium yellow pale hue, alizarin crimson, and ultramarine blue right here. And we'll just make a simple color wheel so you can see how nicely these mix together. So in my secondary colors, using the, since this is a hue, it's not going to have as much tinting strength as a genuine cadmium would have. So we'll add a little bit more. Have a nice orangey color there. And I can take some of my ultramarine blue. And purple. By using hues, we've eliminated the more expensive, more toxic pigments, such as genuine cadmiums and genuine cobalts, which has allowed us to make this a single price point line. Therefore, any artist at any skill level can use this on any budget. The SoHo oils have a really great consistency to them. They're very buttery, very thick. You can use a palette knife and get some really nice impasto layers with them, but they also will thin out really well with an oil medium or some solvents, and you can get some very thin glazes. As you can see, the SoHo oils mix beautifully. They're very bright, they're very vibrant, and no matter where you are in your art journey, they will work perfectly for you.